Alright, so this is the original spreadsheet that Google Gemini created, and we are going to do the same test. It has the same data with ChatGPT and Claude. We're gonna go through the test to see if it's able to compete with the other two models. So Google Gemini doesn't have an add-in for the Excel software, so we are just going to use the website gemini.google.com, which we created our Excel spreadsheet, and see whether how well it can edit. So I'm going to paste in the prompt, and then I'm just going to upload it and see how it goes. Alright, so it seems like Pro is in high demand right now, so we are using the Flash extended to generate this Excel spreadsheet. For some reason it generates two, so we're going to just click and download one of it. Alright, so this is the Gemini edited Excel spreadsheet, and we want it to add our percentage of total, and as you can see, it got it correct just in the first try, and you can see the 99 percentage is in a single decimal place. It has the same formatting as the rest of the column. So Google Gemini understand my intentions immediately and generated a workbook with the edit just within the first try. So congratulations Google Gemini, because it completed this task most efficiently and also using its only free model. Alright, let's do the same thing for test number 2 for our Google Gemini, and let's download it. And this is what it results in. There's no red because it seems like it detects $30. So everything was correct, which is green. It did it for all the columns as well, but if somehow it removes my chart here. So this is Google Gemini's results, and you can see it also created a new sheet called analysis, and it says the spending categories are all currently equal to budget. So that means that yes, the health and medical side it was actually, the original data was $30 and it meet the budget. So unfortunately, I can't really compare it because it was the wrong data to begin with. I would say it managed to scan everything pretty quickly, and also have created the new sheet analysis pretty fast. Alright, so in Google Gemini, I'm gonna just continue the chat using the Flash extender model and see whether it can do the hardest task, which is creating a new exact same sheet with the pie chart and everything. Okay, Google Gemini seems like it generated after 2 tries, so I'm just going to try to download it and see how it goes. Alright, so this is Gemini's output. It's not exactly what we wanted but I get it that the context limit is actually already broken since I'm on a free Google Gemini plan, and it just did as much as it can in terms of understanding my intentions and what I want to generate. So it looks like it just compressed both my budget versus actual in month 1 versus month 2 and put it all in the single chart.